weather's a lot better, and then continue VFR and happy to free call Waddington, remaining VFR.
Falcon, roger, stand by.
Hi, Doncaster from VULCAN, are ready for departure.
Falcon, roger, we're just arranging clearance.
Falcon, roger.
Falcon Tower, clearance available.
Falcon, go ahead.
Falcon Tower, you to leave the zone special VFR via Daneshill Lakes, not above 2,000 feet. Squawk 6161, and next frequency when instructed, Doncaster radar 126.225.
Vulcan for takeoff, special VFR, not above 2,000 feet, squawking 6161, and when informed to 126.225.
Correct, we're all ready for departure.
Ready for departure.
Vulcan, runway 02, you are clear for takeoff, surface wind 030 degrees, 11 knots.
Vulcan for takeoff.
Vulcan, runway 02, you are clear for takeoff, surface wind 030 degrees, 11 knots.
Vulcan for takeoff.